Hello everyone, Wandering Gypsy Deb here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you something I got for my campsite. I am so excited to show it to you. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Vevor portable folding camp kitchen. Boy, that's a mouthful. Or they also call it a camp kitchen table. And it's nice and compact. It folds up. I will put the dimensions right here so that you can see how big it is folded. It comes in a great canvas, like Oxford cloth bag, and it stores easily under the bed in my minivan camper. So let me show you. Here it is right here. And has a zipper compartment in the front, which stores some of the parts, which I'll show you that in just a minute. In the meantime, let's do an unboxing. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm not sure what we're going to get into. Okay. Alright, so here's one of the tabletops. I'm going to put this over on the table here. And then it's also another tabletop. Okay, instructions. We definitely need those. All right, and then I'm going to pull this main piece out of the bag. Okay, here's a couple more parts, and these are tabletops. So how many people have gotten to their campsite and their table looks like that? Oh my gosh, you don't even want to use it. Or maybe you're boondocking and there aren't any tables to be had. So you want something that you can actually set up your camp stove on and prepare your food. So that's why I got this. And I think this is going to be a great addition to my camping equipment. Okay, so let's see how this opens up. Not too sure. Okay, these are the legs down here. Well, that's easy. These pop up, and then you push these brackets here. Okay. And what's nice about this is the legs are actually adjustable. So if you're short like me, you can have it lower, or if you're taller, you can have it higher. So let's see how that works. These are supposed to come out, but how they do that, I'm not really sure. Oh, I see. Here's some legs right here. All right, this side doesn't have any additional legs. All right, so this is the highest it's going to go. These are the only adjustable legs, I think. And they snap out. Huh. That's about as adjustable as they're going to go. All right. So I've got this thing spread out best I can. And this is actually one of the compartments that go on the bottom. It actually has a zipper here. Crazy over this. Okay. So this zipper opens up, and there's a big compartment in here with some flimsy shelves. And there's pieces of wood that I put on the table. I'll actually go on top of here. Ooh, it's windy. So, I think I'm going to put this together so you can see this. There's some Velcro pieces here. And I believe that's going to go under here. Not sure. Maybe we should look at the directions. Okay, so unfold the table, raise the side tables. Clip the side cupboard below the big side table by using the supplied hooks. All right, so that means it's going to go on this side of the cupboard. I'll put this in my pocket because I don't want it blown away, and then I'll never, ever know how to put it together. Okay, let's see. The wind's died down for a minute, so maybe I can get this in there. Oh, here's the hooks right here. Two hooks. And let's see where we hook them. All right, I see there's some little tiny loop thingies here. Oh. Okay, got that one. Now, let's get the other side. Okay. I'll show you more detail on this after I get it all together. Okay. So, okay. So after we did that, and then the loop tapes that we have here go around the legs like that. Okay. There's some here. I think this is going to be pretty nice. This one will go on this leg. Not really sure about this. Okay. Now we have all the legs on the ground. All right. Couple more loops to go. Get this bottom one done. Okay. Clip the lower and upper tables on the frames. All right. So let's get this should be the upper table because this one is longer. And there's these black clips right here. We have 4 of them, and they're going to go on the bottom of the table. And they're going to clip onto this bar right here. It snaps in. That one snaps in. Very nice. Now, this is the lower table. I'm not believing this. This just fell apart. Hopefully I can get it back together. Okay. Oh, I think I'm getting it. Okay. Got it. All right, so this one goes down here. Okay, it's the lower table. Okay, so we got a couple more pieces to go. We have these little wooden shelves, which are going to go in these cubby holes here. And you can roll this up. There's a little piece of Velcro here that sticks to another piece of Velcro, like that. So that goes there. And then there's one that goes on the bottom. It's not really crazy over how low this is. It's actually sitting on the ground. Okay. So next, the very last piece, we have this really nice windscreen. I'm looking forward to using this because it seems like everywhere I go out in the desert, it's windy. So I'm going to set this up to keep the wind off our camp stove. All right. There's some small slots in the tabletop. And these pieces go in and they slide back. You know, I think I've got this backwards. Let me try it this way. Yep, this is how it's going to go, just like that. Okay, so you can put your camp stove here. You can be cutting up all your vegetables here, throwing them on your stove, making a nice dinner. So here's what I like about this Vevor portable camp kitchen. I really like this windscreen. I like that it actually will fit a 2-burner Coleman stove. I like these tabletops. They've got a nice finish to them where I can prepare my food here. And I can also have a spot here to sit my utensils. I can store my utensils down here on this shelf. And then also I can store some stuff in here on these shelves. So let me get the camera closer and show you the details on this. So here we have the spot where we're going to put our butane stove. Nice finish on here. I don't know if you can really see it, but I think it's very wipeable. And here we have our cubbies where we can store some stuff, and here's the Velcro I was telling you about. Comes down, and then there's zippers. There's this lower table here. And another upper table here. Nice finish. So here it is. The Vevor Portable Camp Kitchen. All right, I've got my kitchen set up a little bit here. Got my collapsible sink, my 1-burner Coleman butane stove. I've got my utensils down here. Got my frying pans ready. And I'm going to be making a video tonight of some yummy, yummy dinner. So stay tuned for that video. I can't wait to chow down on this. Really like this camp kitchen. It sure does beat a nasty picnic table. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.